What's going on, family? So I've been rocking with the Canon T5i, Canon Rebel T5i, and also Canon Rebel T7. So this has been, that's been my experience. Didn't know much about cameras, everything like that. But as we've been trying and looking to grow, not trying, as we've been growing the show, and as our focus has been enhancing the marketing, enhancing the cameras, enhancing the quality, this is where we're now at. So, talk with my mom, and I was like, Mom, I need this camera. Right, this is gonna be birthday, Christmas present, whatever. I said, Mom, I need this camera, and y'all can see I got this do rag on. You probably have never seen me in a video with my do rag on, but I'm trying to get my hair together for us recording a run through of the show a little bit later. So, y'all, this is the unboxing of the Canon 5RC. Okay, this camera shoots in 8K. This camera also can switch over from photo to video. And then when it switches over from photo to video, it has a different digital layout, all that. So let's go ahead and bust this thing open. You say you're supposed to cut away from yourself. So I'll cut away. Oh, and shout out to my guy. Shout out to my guy, Jordan Moore. Jordan Moore was the one I was telling him. I was like, man, I want to get a Black Magic. He was like, Jay, what you should consider getting the Canon 5RC. And I said, why should I consider getting the Canon 5RC? And he said, John, because out the box, it's ready to rock. And I was like, oh, okay. So, needless to say, we have the Canon 5RC. What type of box is what? In the boxes of boxes. Come on now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just trying not to also cut myself in the process of opening this box. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Y'all, and I got off work super late last night because I wanted to open it last night, but EOS Canon R5C. And so we're gonna toss that over there. All right, so here's what we got. So first I'll go ahead and open up the lens. Yeah, and this is a 24 to 105 millimeter f4L. I don't completely know what all of that means, but I'm learning through this, right? And I'm getting my Tyler Perry on now. So, as we enhance the quality of the show and the production, we got to enhance the quality of the equipment. So first up, what's this? Got a little lens case. Okay, shout out Canon for the lens case. Lens case, LP 1319. Cool. So keeping our equipment protected. That's what's up. Shout out to Canon for that. Then, got like the lens cover. So I'll put the camera to the side for a second. About to get into that. So we got the lens cover case. Then got the lens hood. Right? Lens hood, lens case. And we got the lens. Man. Praise God. Okay. Praise God. Got automatic and manual focus on it. Got the stabilizer on it. And got the lock. All right. All right. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Throw that. Ooh. And I don't know if y'all lately, if you like go to the brush store or anything. I was at Jenny's and they had this red brush. Bow Wow is all in the aisle, y'all. It's crazy how Bow Wow has taken over the hair care brush industry. Anyway, let's go ahead and bust this open. So now we got the EOS R5C. Look, on the box it says 8K, 4K, 2K, Cinema Raw, Light, MP4. And let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, we got our service support information. Okay. So we can register our camera. Boom, boom. Ooh. Ooh. Here we are. Has a little bit of weight to it. A little bit of weight. Got that screen on it. Ooh. Got the port. Takes one battery. You know. Also has the connector. What? It's like a mini HDMI. Okay. And then, okay. I'll put that there. Yeah. Slide that to the side. Yeah. Well, I'll bring the camera down a little bit. All right. So we got the camera, lens. What else we got? Got our one battery. Yep. This is a LPE6NH battery, 7.2 volts. Okay. That typically it'll give you about an hour of recording time from what I've seen. And what else do we have? Then we have our shoulder strap for our camera strap, right? Keep it protected from, slipping, falling, all that great stuff. You want to protect your investment always. Then what is this? And this is this is a USB. It's a USB-C or SS. Oh, okay. So with this cable here, we should be able to connect into the camera and then connect the camera directly into like our laptop or something like that. Okay. And looks like about a 3-foot cable, but we'll see. Yeah, that's about a 3-foot cable. And then what is it on there? And like I said, we have our charger. So we're gonna pop this on the charger now, see how long it takes to get us charged. But y'all, if you wanna see what our content is gonna begin to look like, just like I said, because we've been shooting with the T7 and also the T5, and right now that's a 18 by 50 milliliter. No, that's a 18. I can't even see it, but that's what my friend referred to it as a pancake lens. So it's a little shorter, but either way, That's what we're shooting with now. And if you continue to follow the channel, we're going to start shooting with this bad boy. So you're going to see the elevation, not only in the quality and the content, but you're also going to see it. Well, yeah, quality and content. So, all right, y'all. Thanks for rocking. Continue to stay tuned in, tapped in, locked in. And you're going to see the channel continue to grow. You're going to see the content continue to be enhanced. And we're going to mix up the show. We're about to mix up the game. All right. So, family, this is just a quick overview of, the EOS R5C. Once again, shout out to my guy Jordan Moore for referring me to it, introducing me to it. And, stay tapped in. All right. See you on the next video.